an evening where our little stars shine brighter than the filmy ones. It's time for a Bollywood dhamaka, full of dance, drama, and dil se masti. So sit back, clap loud, and get ready for the cutest blockbuster of the year. मस्ती होगी भरपूर, लेकिन देखो है तो हम स्कूल ही. So there are a few rules before we get started. Phones on silent, please. We know that you're excited, but let the stage shine, not your ringtones. No photo clicking is permitted. We allow you to feel the magic live and promise that we will share pictures and recordings for you later on. Our backstage is nothing less than a Bollywood set, so entry is only for cast and crew. So unless your name is Karan Johar, please do not come backstage unless you have been called specifically. We have a lot of seats and spaces available, so please make space for everybody to enjoy the show. Avoid blocking views or jumping aisles. Trust us, हमारे बच्चे हर एंगल से क्यूट दिखते हैं. ब्रेक मिलेगा लेकिन इंटरवल में please move around only between performances. So unless you are enthralling us with a Mughal Azam level exit, please do not disturb our performers on the stage. Cheer loud, clap even louder. Shy tumkas and loud talis are necessary. Show our little ones how proud you are of all the work that they have put in. Let your kids enjoy without any distractions. Please avoid calling them out. Paparazzi outside of the show, please. And please celebrate every little child, whether yours is on stage or not. Every performance deserves love. Every child here is somebody's full world. So please let's celebrate all performances equally, क्योंकि ये show सबका है. Right? After my list of small rules, I hope we're all very, very ready to enjoy. How's the Josh? बढ़िया. Perfect, perfect, lovely. So to kick off this magical evening, we invite the heart and guiding light of our preschool. Please welcome our director, Sarah ma'am, to share a few words welcoming all our guests and officially opening tonight's Bollywood Dhamaka.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sarama Jacob, and it's an absolute delight to welcome all of you to this special occasion. It's that time of the year again, filled with endless dance rehearsals, costume fittings, prop preparations, and so much more. Yes, you guessed it right. It's our much anticipated annual day celebration. I hope you're all as excited and energized as I am to be part of this unforgettable day with our little stars. While the event may complete in just few hours, the dedication and hard work that have gone into bringing this experience to life have been nothing short of extraordinary. For the past 2 months, our little ones have been practicing with so much joy and enthusiasm, pouring their hearts out into every act. And this wouldn't be possible without the incredible guidance from our talented choreographers, teachers, and of course the unwavering support from our wonderful parents. To kick off the evening, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest for today, Roopshri Sinha ma'am. I'd also like to extend a heartful welcome to all the parents, family members and friends of our young performers. Your support means the world to us. The mentorship and dedication of our choreographers, Firoz sir and Mukesh sir, have been instrumental in making this event come to life. We welcome you to experience the unfolding of all your tireless efforts. And of course, a special welcome to the entire Sango Show team. Thank you for your continued commitment to making today a memorable experience for all. Finally, let's give a round of applause and welcome the real stars of the show, the students of Sango Show. You have all worked so hard, and today is all about celebrating your incredible talent and dedication. Parents, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Your little ones are putting on this performance with so much love, energy, and effort. Let's make sure to cheer them on with plenty of applause after each act. And to set the stage for the celebration, we are excited to present to you once again the Sangosho anthem which we have released last year. Enjoy.
We are the future, we have the power, we are the change needed for tomorrow. We are the future, we have the power, we are the change needed for tomorrow. Sangosho, what a pride to be inspired. Where the cities. We are the future, we have the power, we are the change needed for tomorrow. We are the future, we have the power, we are the change needed for tomorrow. Sangosho, what a pride to be inspired. Where the cities.
Hello everyone. There seems to be a small technical glitch. So let's wait for 5 minutes before we put the video back on. To be watching your little ones performing today. So I think we have managed to hold all the songs a secret till now, have we? So our little ones are as excited to be surprising you with all the songs.
begin. We seem to have fixed our short technical glitch and will now be replaying for you the Sangosho anthem.
We are the future. We have the power. We are the change needed for tomorrow. We are the future. We have the power. We are the change needed for tomorrow. We're the students of Sangosho. What a pride to be inspired. We're the citizens of tomorrow. What a pride to be inspired. To be the change, make a change forevermore. Making the world a better place to grow. Spreading love wherever we go. This is our Sangosho. Spreading love wherever we go. This is our Sangosho. We are the future. We have the power. We are the change needed for tomorrow. We take pride in our values, staying true to our roots. Humanity is our cornerstone, soaring into the skies. And together at Sangosho, we build a happy world forevermore. Spreading love wherever we go. This is our Sangosho. Spreading love wherever we go. This is our Sangosho. We are the future. We have the power. We are the change needed for tomorrow. We are the future. We have the power. We are the change needed for tomorrow.
It's just a short reflection of all the wonderful moments we spend with our little ones day in and day out. And it's a work of great joy. It gives us great honor. We are excited to be here every day, and so are our little children. And thank you so much. You parents make this possible for us, right? We wouldn't be here if you wouldn't entrust your little ones in our hand. And we think of childhood care, education as a journey that we both spend together. So you are equal partners with us as we groom our children into the future leaders that we envision them to be. And that is why it's very, very important for us to hear from our parents on their experiences with Sangosho. So we're inviting to stage Mrs. Sapna Patel, Mama of our senior KG student Ehsas Patel. Ma'am is a dietitian by profession. She has been running her venture, Health Before Wealth, and she has been practicing for 10 years now. So we would love to hear from Ehsas's mama on what her experience with Sangosho has been. Ma'am, please do join us on stage. A big round of applause, guys. It takes a lot of courage to come and speak on stage. Thank you so much, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are having a
wonderful time, just like how I am. I'll keep it very short here. My daughter Esas is finishing her senior KG with Sango Show this year and moving to a new school. As a parent, I'm very thankful and emotional today. In these last 4 years, the school has helped her grow in many ways. She has become more confident, disciplined, and her language skills have improved a lot. I have seen such a big change in her, and it's all because of the love and the care that she's got here. Just sharing an incident, just a few days back, she came to me and she asked me, Mama, even if the school changes, these teachers will come with me to the new school, right? It was such an innocent and sweet question, but it made me very emotional. I had to gently explain that she will have new teachers now. She's still trying to understand that, but she's still not able to do that because the bond that she's sharing here with everyone is so strong. I am very thankful and very grateful to all the teachers here, but I would like to take this opportunity and a special thank you to Nikhat ma'am for always supporting and guiding her, for such warmth and always being her second mother here. For Esas, imagining school or a class without Nikhat ma'am is going to be very difficult, and I don't know how I am going to handle that. She still feels that she's going to come with her to the new school, so good luck to me now as I have to explain her that this is not going to happen. To all the teachers and the staff, thank you for being such a special part of Esas's early years. These memories will always stay very close to our hearts. Thank you once again, and I wish you all a very happy evening.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think words like this is what inspires us to keep going, and we will miss Esas a lot in class. I think she has a brilliant smile and that'll be missed truly. With that, I think we're ready to start more performances of the day. So presenting the tiniest heroes of romance and retro, with innocence in their eyes and rhythm in their feet, our little charmers of playgroup and nursery are here to recreate a timeless era, full of pyar, pal bhar ka magic, and a dash of adorable jungly masti, bringing to you the playgroup and nursery class. we would like to call our next parent in for their testimonial, welcoming Hina Chaudhary ma'am, mother of Atharva Singh. Ma'am is a banker by profession and is a Scale 1 officer at the Khargar branch. We would love to hear from ma'am what her journey with Sangosho has been like. Performers sub hai guys, even with testimonials, we would love to have applauses on. You all have Sundays to rest it out. We do not want the clapping to stop at any point.
Good evening, everyone. Respected teachers and all the dear parents. And it's very delightful to be part of the annual day of Sangasho School. I'm mother of Atharva, who is in nursery standard. Just now he performed, so it is a bit overwhelming. But I really enjoyed the performance. And from the bottom of my heart, I really want to thank Ikra ma'am, Prima ma'am, Sara ma'am. They have made so much efforts to bring Athar out of the shell, I would say. He used to be very quiet. He never used to mix up with other kids, but now he has opened up a lot. He started speaking and mixing up, and they have made him learn so much with playful activities. So I'm really glad that he's a part of Sangasho School. Thank you.
And those were very sweet and kind words. We will just give our performers a couple of seconds to get settled backstage. की जिंदगी का एक जरूरी हिस्सा बन चुका है, पर सोचिए क्या हम इस दौरान अपने रिश्तों, दोस्तों और अपनी असली दुनिया से दूर तो नहीं हो रहे हैं। आइए एक छोटी सी कहानी के जरिए मिलकर सोचते हैं, क्या हम टेक्नोलॉजी का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं या उसके अधीन हो गए हैं।
आ गए तुम लोग, मिलना चाहोगे मेरे साथियों से? तो देखो।
जी हाँ, मैं हूँ व्हाट्सएप। पूरी दुनिया मेरी गिरफ्त में है। बच्चा, बूढ़ा या जवान, सब दीवाने हैं मेरे।
गूगल नाम है मेरा। मैं वो भी जानता हूँ जो तुम्हारा भगवान भी नहीं जानता। फेक वर्ल्ड का बादशाह हूँ मैं, बादशाह।
चीज को टिकटॉक कहते हैं। नेता, अभिनेता, खिलाड़ी, बच्चा, कोई मेरे आगे टिक नहीं सकता।
मैं इंस्टाग्राम हूँ। मैंने सबको पागल करके रखा है, स्पेशली उन युवाओं को, उसको और इसको भी।
और मुझे तो आप लोग जानते ही होंगे, मैं हूँ फेसबुक। मुझसे ही तो ये सोशल मीडिया का दौर शुरू हुआ है। सुना है वो दिन दूर नहीं जब आपकी ये दुनिया हमारे इशारों पर नाचेगी। तो चलो देखो।
मम्मा मेरा कल एग्जाम है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है। प्लीज मम्मा आप पढ़ा दोगे?
क्यों बेटा, तुम्हारे टीचर ने कुछ नहीं समझाया क्या?
मम्मा समझाया तो था पर मैं भूल गई।
बेटा मैं तो भी बहुत बिजी हूँ, तुम पापा के पास जाकर पूछ लो ना।
ओके मम्मा। पापा कल मैथ्स का एग्जाम है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, आप पढ़ा दोगे प्लीज?
बेटा आई एम ऑलरेडी गेटिंग लेट, मुझे ऑफिस का काम है, मैं आकर पढ़ाता हूँ।
ओके पापा।
बेटा मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ और ऑफिस का काम भी है, तुम मम्मा के पास चली जाओ।
ओके पापा। मम्मा मम्मा मम्मा, मुझे थोड़ा सा तो पढ़ा दीजिए प्लीज।
ओके ठीक है बेटा, आप अपने कमरे में जाओ, मैं वहीं आती हूँ।
ओके मम्मा, मैं वेट करती हूँ।
इसे भी अपने जाल में फंसाते हैं। नादान लड़की, तुम मेरी जाल में पूरी तरह से फंस चुकी हो कि तुम मेरा शिकार हो चुकी हो, मेरा नया शिकार।
रात दी गल सुनियो सुनियो वे, रात दी गल सुनियो सुनियो वे, कोई ना चार छुपे रे, पीछे ना मुड़ियो मुड़ियो वे, पीछे ना मुड़ियो मुड़ियो वे, राता दे काले काले चेहरे डर डाडा डसे वे, और मंजिल हंसे वे, आहट से डरियो डरियो वे, आहट से डरियो डरियो वे, खौफ के अंदर लगे डेरे, हौले से चलियो चलियो वे, हौले से चलियो चलियो वे, राता दे काले काले चेहरे डर डाडा डसे वे, और मंजिल हंसे वे, डर डाडा डसे वे।
क्या हुआ बेटा, क्या हुआ? तुम खड़े खड़े क्या देख रहे हो? डॉक्टर को जल्दी फोन करो।
डॉक्टर साहब जल्दी आइए, पता नहीं मेरी बेटी को क्या हो गया है।
एक और शिकार। तुम्हारे 5000 FB फ्रेंड होंगे, लेकिन तुम्हारे एक भी फ्रेंड तुम्हें बचा नहीं सकते। We are शक्तिमान।
देखिए, घबराने और चिंता करने की कोई बात नहीं है। सोशल मीडिया का ज़्यादा उपयोग करने से आपके बच्चे की ये स्थिति हुई है। अभी उसे अपनेपन की ज़रूरत है। आप उसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मोटिवेट कीजिए ताकि वो अपने रियल फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा समय बिता सके। इसी से उसकी रिकवरी जल्दी होगी।
ओके डॉक्टर, थैंक यू।
कैसा वक्त आ गया है, हम अपने रिश्तों से ज़्यादा वक्त सोशल मीडिया को दे रहे हैं। भूल जाते हैं वो खुशियाँ जो अपनों के साथ रहने में है। दूसरों की तकलीफों का मजाक बना देते हैं और अपनी तकलीफों का स्टेटस बना लेते हैं। हम इतना जरूरत से ज़्यादा उपयोग करते हुए भूल रहे हैं कि सोशल मीडिया ही हमारा उपयोग कर रहा है।
सिलाओ हम।
टूटी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही तो कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, बंदे कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर
रुको बेटा, मोबाइल की क्या जरूरत है, मैं तुम्हारी मदद करती हूँ तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट बनाने में।
हर मैदान फतेह बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
एक छोटी सी कहानी लेकिन एक बड़ी सोच. As caregivers, I think it is so critical for all of Sharma, Mama of Amira Sharma. Ma'am is a commerce graduate working with Tata Telebusiness Services since 8 years. She has had 22 years of rich experience in the telecom industry, and she's a proud mother of 2 daughters, an 18-year-old and a 4-year-old. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming on stage and sharing a few words with us.
Good evening, everyone. So, I'm so excited to be here. I mean, if ma'am would have not asked me to come and talk about Sango show, I would have volunteered myself at the end of the show to talk about my experience. So we have a family of, in our family we have 8 children, and none of them had been to daycare. So Amira Sharma is with the daycare and nursery both. So, I mean, we were so reluctant to send her to daycare, like other daycare mein to there are so many pros and cons and kya hota rehta. So we were so reluctant. After coming to Sango show, I mean, the experience was awesome. I mean, within 6 months we had changed our perception about daycare, what happens in daycare, and what are the activities which are there in the daycare. I keep telling this to every friend of mine who has delivered and are looking for daycare to come to Sango show, and I'm so happy. And now I have 2 more years to go, so I still have time to tell Amara that your teachers will change or not change. So 2 more years to go, but I'm so happy, and many more years to go. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, once again, parents, I think it takes a lot of courage to come here and speak, even if it's just about your experiences. So please, a big round of applause for ma'am as well. I know you're waiting eagerly for more performances. I know itne se dil to nahi bhara hoga aapka. So let's step back into the golden age of Bollywood, where dream sequences rule the screen and Hasinas ruled our hearts. Our tiny stars are ready to recreate the magic with their twinkling nayan full of sapne. Get ready to sway with this mini brigade of rock stars. Big round of applause for our group 2 of playgroup and nursery students.
Thank you.
love, I hate you.
जय जय शिव शंकर काटा लगे न कंकर जय जय शिव शंकर काटा लगे न कंकर के प्याला तेरे नाम का पिया
गिर जाऊंगी मैं मर जाऊंगी जो तुमने मुझे ठान लिया आसारत दी
जय जय शिव शंकर काटा लगे न कंकर के प्याला तेरे नाम का पिया
गिर जाऊंगी मैं मर जाऊंगी जो तुमने मुझे ठान लिया आसारत दी मुझको तो दिखते हैं
ऐसा ही होता है जब दो दिल मिलते हैं
मुझको तो दिखते हैं
ऐसा ही होता है जब दो दिल मिलते हैं
सर पे जमीन पाँव के नीचे आसमां तारक दी
सौरभ दे सौरभ दे जय जय शिव शंकर काटा लगे न कंकर के प्याला तेरे नाम का पिया
गिर जाऊंगी मैं मर जाऊंगी जो तुमने मुझे ठान लिया आसारत दी
टाइम गाइस टू कीप यू एंगेज। हमको पता है थोड़ा थोड़ा आप भी टायर्ड हो, वीकेंड बहुत आप हफ्ते भर काम करे होंगे। सो 5 minutes of just ice breakers, get to know you all better. Let's see who are true Bollywood fans in the audience. Some people are already scared कि यार ये उतर गई नीचे माइक लेके। Don't worry, consent के साथ गेम्स खेलेंगे गाइस। मैं जबरदस्ती नहीं करूंगी unless necessary. अगर कोई पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करा तो फिर मुझे करनी पड़ेगी शायद जबरदस्ती। So we'll have a small, it's a musical night. Bollywood has always been about music. It's been about heartfelt से ठुमके वाले गाने, all of those varieties. So I'll take a little time and we'll play a small game. Like I said, till I am not forced, I believe in consent. मैं करूँगी, सबका वेट करूँगी हाथ उठाने का. So what I'm going to do is, the game is very simple. ठीक है, I will hum a little bit of a song. मैं कोई आशा भोसले तो हूँ नहीं, तो मेरी हमिंग मेरे हिसाब से होगी, बट होपफुली इट विल बी क्लियर इनफ ऑन व्हाट दी सॉन्ग्स आर. सो आई विल हम अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ सॉन्ग. मैंने चश्मा पहना नहीं है, तो जो मुझे पहले दिखा हाथ रेस करते हुए, वो मैं उसके पास जाऊंगी और आपको 2 लाइनें गानी है. और सम पीपल वर लाइक गेस करने का भी आपको मिल जाएगा, बट मेरी खुशी के लिए गाइस मैंने इतना प्रिपेयर किया, तो आप 2 लाइनें गा लीजिएगा मेरे लिए, जो भी मैम आपको पसंद है, जिसके लिए, आपकी वाइफ के लिए, हस्बैंड के लिए, जो यहाँ है जिसके लिए आपको गाने का मन करे, 2 लाइनें गा लीजिएगा. एंड चॉकलेट दूंगी मैं उसके लिए. ज़्यादा तो कुछ है नहीं, चॉकलेट दूंगी, बट पार्टिसिपेशन गाइस हम भी सुने. आई एम श्योर सम ऑफ यू हैव ब्यूटीफुल वॉइस, एंड इफ यू डोंट, वी डोंट माइंड. बेसुरा भी गा लीजिएगा, ठीक है? रेडी? सबने जोश में यस तो कह दिया. मैंने देखा किसने यस गाया. मैं आऊंगी आपके पास, ठीक है? सॉन्ग 1. ये चीटिंग मैम चीटिंग करिए. ओके, योर नेम, योर स्टूडेंट्स, योर child's name.
My name is Kumala and my son is in the daycare. His name is Satyavel. And the song is तुझे देखा तो ही जाना सनम प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम.
थैंक्स मैम. मुझे लगा पर्सनली मुझे ही गाना आप गा रहे थे. थैंक यू, दिल बड़ा खुश हो गया मेरा. परफेक्ट. आई सॉ लॉट ऑफ हैंड्स गोइंग अप, तो आई विल मूव अराउंड अ लिटिल बिट, नहीं तो मैं यही सबको देखते रहूंगी. सेकंड सॉन्ग. Oh, sorry, ma'am is like chocolate. Yeah, ma'am. Sorry, my bad. Chocolate. A big round of applause for ma'am. Second song. There, I see ma'am in red. I'm walking to you. मेरे को genuinely guys दिख नहीं रहा है, तो please don't mind अगर आपने रेस किया, मन नहीं मिला. Your name, your student.
I'm Dr. Kajri. I'm Reva's mom. बोली चूड़िया बोली कंगना हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना तेरे बिन जियो नहीं लगता मैं तो मर गया ना चले जा सोनिया
Thank you so much. That's a genuinely lovely voice you have there. अच्छा, तीसरा, अब मैं ये रो की तरफ देख रही हूँ जितना मैं देख पा रही हूँ. ये थोड़ा नॉस्टैल्जिया लेन जाएंगे हम. ये तो सबको आता है guys. मैं थोड़ा रिग्रेट हो रहा है ना जो पीछे बैठे हैं उनका.
I'm Supriya. I'm Mitansh's mother. He's a daycare student. The song is लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 के दौड़ा सॉरी.
Here's your chocolate. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. मैं देख रही हूँ कि इनमें से मैंने अच्छा अब थोड़ा मैं this is guys only round. Guys only round was like I can't see any sir raising hand or I can see and I'm just seeing all the beautiful women and getting distracted. तो अभी सिर्फ पापाज and uncles and भैया जो भी आए हैं सब आप लोग के लिए. क्या बात है sir. Running and coming that way. There was only one hand. This was not on me. नहीं सर ऐसे नहीं. Participation award नहीं.
पहला नशा. I'm Shashi Ram, ईशान सिंह पापा. पहला नशा पहला खुमार नया प्यार है.
Sure तो सब करेंगे guys. अब मुझे लग नहीं रहा है कि ये चांद के पापा को चॉकलेट मिल रहा है. मैम ने ऑलरेडी चॉकलेट ले लिया है. बट मैम ऐसे ही गाना मिलता है आपको रोज?
इसके साथ गिटार भी मिलता है.
क्या बात है सर. नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस नेक्स्ट इवेंट सर इज गोइंग टू गिव अस अ परफॉर्मेंस. एक क्लास कर लेंगे. नाउ द चिल्ड्रन आर गेटिंग ऑल्सो वेरी एक्साइटेड टू परफॉर्म. सो मेरा परफॉर्मेंस थोड़ा बंद करेंगे हम. सो वन लास्ट सॉन्ग. अच्छा ये थोड़ा बच्चों वाला गाना. ठीक है प्री स्कूल है. बच्चों वाला गाना करेंगे हम थोड़ा. हो बच्चों वाला गाना तो मैंने बच्चे को देखा तो बच्चे को दूंगी मैं. योर टर्न.
Hello, I am Ritvika Saini. I'm a sister of Kushagra Saini, and the song is Bam Bam Bole Masti Mein Dole. Bam Bam Bole Masti Mein Tu Dole. Bam Bam Bole Masti Mein Dole. Bam Bam Bole Masti Mein Tu Dole.
The little performers always surpass the big ones, right? कि क्या बढ़िया गाना गाया आपने. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody for your lovely participation. I'm going to quickly walk back on stage. Again. अरे यार ये guys मेरे को नहीं मिल रही है सारी chocolate performance के बाद. Next performance, we'll call in for one more testimonial. Calling on stage Shreya Shetty, Mama of Kritarth from our PG class. Ma'am has been working with Advanced Pharma Services Private Limited. She is working as a specialist treasury and has been practicing in this field for 15 years. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming on stage and sharing a few thoughts about your time with Sangosha. Hello, everyone. Good evening. I am really overwhelmed by Kritarth's performance today. Slightly emotional as well. Because I used to always complain he never dances at any of the occasions celebrated in school. Be it Holi, be it Ganpati, never ever he has, even moved a single leg. And today he's danced so well. It's like I'm feeling like crying today. And Kritarth has been a daycare student first and then a PG student. So I enrolled him when he was merely 1.5 years of age. And the amount of improvement I've seen in him is tremendous, like his command over language, his diction, his pronunciation, and he clearly knows which language to speak where. Like when he's at home, he only speaks a mother tongue, it's Tulu. When he's at school, he'll speak English, he'll speak Hindi, and that
Gage, is being taught by the teachers and the DVs out here, and I would really want to thank each one of the teachers and the DVs who take care of our children so nicely. And special thanks to Reema ma'am for taking care of Kritat so well. Thank you.
The little ones, I think these are small things, right? I think everyone associates school with these great learnings. यार सब Einstein बनाएंगे बच्चों को, but these are small emotional moments, right? मेरा बच्चा डांस करेगा. I think all of that is so precious, and I think somewhere in all of the big milestones that we gauge for our little ones, we forget that these are the small little milestones that are important. So thank you, ma'am, for reflecting. I know she got a little teary-eyed, but even it's really precious for us to watch all of them perform after all of this mehnat. अब मस्ती कर ले. So full filmy, full fun. Our junior KG stars are ready to zoom in अपनी गड्डी लेके, charm you like their महबूब सनम, and show you कि छोटे बच्चे हुए तो क्या हुआ. They are fully strong like our Sallu bhai. So buckle up for a joyful ride of cuteness and energy. Calling on stage the junior KG class.
सोचा था, कब मैंने ये जाना था, कब मैंने ये सोचा था, कब मैंने ये जाना था. तुम इसमें बदल जाओगे, तुम इतना मुझे चाहोगे, तुम इतना प्यार करोगे, तुम यूं इकरार करोगे. मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम. मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम.
मुझ पर एक एहसान करना कि मुझ पर कोई एहसान न करना.
this opportunity to call another parent, Sonali Thakur ma'am, who is mama of Krishna Singh from Junior KG. Ma'am is a co-founder of Mannold Manufacturing Private Limited and has been working in this for the last 6 years. This company is a manufacturer of soft and hard cases and provides packaging solutions. Ma'am would love to talk about her experience with us. Thank you so much, ma'am. Claps everywhere, guys. हाथ दर्द होना चाहिए कल आपको.
Hello everyone, I'm Krish's mother. As Krish is a hearing impaired child, he was not getting admission in anywhere in Kharghar school. So when I approached Sangosho school, especially Sarah ma'am as well as Janice ma'am, they both recognized the potential in Krishiv, so they gave admission to their schools. And one small incident I want to share with you all guys, that recently Krishiv was not well. And I just said, don't go to school, he was having loose motion. I said, don't go to school. He said, no, give me medicine, I'll just go to school. They bring magic to the kids. They love so much. They love so much to the kids that he was like, no, I'll go to school. Like, I was shocked. When I was a kid, I always used to find excuses not to go to school. But now when I see, the scenario has changed a lot. So thankful, grateful to Sangosho as well as Sarah ma'am, Janice ma'am. They have really changed my kids. You know, everything has changed a lot. I have seen a lot in him changes. So thank you Sangosho, thank you ma'am, thank you your entire team. Thank you so much.
Lights, camera, action. From Dawn to Lakhan, from disco balls to Laila's drama. This performance is a tribute to Bollywood's most iconic heroes, dazzling divas, and unforgettable dance moves. Our senior KG stars are here to serve swag and full-on energy. Are you guys ready? Yes. ये मजा नहीं आया, guys. Are you guys ready? Yes. Amazing. Calling on the senior KG class for their performance.
क्या हुआ? म्यूजिक को क्या हुआ? डीजे म्यूजिक चालू कर दो।
खत्म नहीं हुआ, झापड़ी के
Superstars, so they don't leave any screen time away. Thank you so much, everyone. Sangosho began with a simple yet powerful dream to create joyful, meaningful childhood experiences that our little ones carry in their hearts for life. And bringing this dream to life every single day is someone who leads with passion, warmth, and vision. Our beloved principal, Janice ma'am, has been the heart of Sangosho for many years now, nurturing not just children but memories as well. We now invite her on stage to share a few words with us. Big round of applause for Janice ma'am.
Few words. A very, very good evening to all my dear parents, friends, well-wishers, and my entire family of Sangosho. It is such a beautiful evening, and to see these young ones here present all this is really, really heartwarming and emotional. So, can I ask all of you to give a huge round of applause to all our children and the entire team who has put this evening together for all of you. So as we approach the end of another wonderful year at Sangosho, I think it's a perfect time to pause and reflect on the incredible growth and development that has taken place within our Sangosho family. The journey that each child has embarked is not just about learning shapes, colors, and numbers. It's also about embracing the power of emotions and understanding their role in our lives. At Sangosho, we see emotions as the foundation of learning. Just as all of you might be knowing, Sangosho means coral reef. So just as coral reefs are the foundation of the marine life, every smile, every tear, and burst of laughter is not only a reflection of their immediate experience, but also an important step in developing emotional intelligence. At Sangosho, we are committed to nurturing each child's emotional and social growth, as well as their academic development. Just as a coral reef is a home to a wide range of creatures that coexist and support each other, our preschool is a dream designed to foster a community where every child's uniqueness is celebrated. Our small class size allow for personalized attention, which is crucial at this early stage of development. This individualized care helps our children to feel seen, loved, celebrated, enabling them to thrive emotionally and academically. Many of our parents over here seated, this is just our perspective as a school, they are able to see a lot of change in their little one's life once the child has come to Sangosho. And they deep down recognize the profound impact that Sangosho has had on their children. They see their children flourishing in this nurturing, close-knit environment, and they are very, very happy with the emotional, social, and academic progress. And yet, some of our parents make the decision to send children to larger schools, believing that bigger institutions might offer more opportunities or prepare them better for the future. But often these premature decisions, we have seen over the past years some unintended consequences. We have witnessed that some children really miss the idea of coming to Sangosho. They miss their safe and supportive space that Sangosho offers. So our request is that the early years are very, very critical to each of our little one's life. And there are certain milestones and certain things that they are equipped and ready for when they complete the 6 or the 6.5. So they are ready to embrace the bigger environments and all that comes with it. And also in the school, they are well prepared for what is coming. Sangosho provides an environment where children can take the time they need to grow at their own pace. Just as a coral reef is resilient and able to thrive over time by adapting to its environment, Sangosho is committed to provide an environment where children can confidently explore and grow in their unique ways. Sometimes, the larger spaces often focus on heavy academic achievements, whereas at Sangosho, their small and important emotional and social needs are also well taken care of because of the personalized attention they get and the smaller class sizes. At Sangosho, we believe we are not just preparing children for the next grade, we have taken the responsibility of preparing them for life. We take the time to build a foundation of confidence, empathy, and emotional intelligence so that when they move to higher schools, larger schools, they are equipped to handle the challenges and opportunities both that await them. We believe that without the support of wonderful parents like you, because you play such an important and vital role in this emotional journey, your guidance, your patience, and love help your child make sense of the feelings that they encounter each day. The way we model emotional awareness, resilience, empathy will inspire all our little ones to build strong connections with others and approach challenges with courage. I have seen so many parents, all my wonderful parents sitting here. You all have done such amazing partnership with Sangosho, and that's what makes Sangosho even more special. It is your partnerships with us that makes all the difference to our children. I take this opportunity to also extend my gratitude. In September, October, Sangosho itself faced a tough decision that we had to make because we had to move to another premises. But the love, the support that each of you seated here has shown to each of us is the true testimony of what Sangosho has been able to do. So thank you from the bottom of my heart to each of you seated here to continue to keep that trust in Sangosho and support us in our endeavor. I take this moment to also thank all our coaches and Firoz sir, Mukesh sir, who have tirelessly prepared our children for this beautiful evening. Also, this dream would be so incomplete without my team of exceptional educators, Nikat, Reema and Ikra, who bring their dedication and passion and care into every classroom every single day. Their commitment to fostering a loving and supporting environment allows each of our children to thrive. So can I have a huge round of applause to all my loving teachers, Nikat, Reema, Ikra, and all the amazing ancillary who day in, day out are putting their best to make sure that our children are well taken care of. Each one of you seated here are the heart and soul of Sangosho. Each of you contribute to this dream in ways big and small. And together, we are here to create a space where children feel loved, supported, celebrated, and empowered to grow. Sangosho isn't just a preschool, dear ones. It's a family. Here, every child is a superstar, and every parent is our partner, and every teacher is our guide. As I wrap up, let me remind you what truly makes Sangosho special is not just the space that we occupy, but the love, the care, and the dedication we pour into each child. It's like the heartwarming stories in films like Dangal, where the smallest sparks of potential are nurtured into greatness, or Bajrangi Bhaijaan, where love and determination overcome all obstacles. Just like these films, Sangosho may not have the grandest of resources, but we have something far more valuable. People who care, and an environment that nurtures, and a community as wonderful as you that supports us time and again. At Sangosho, we don't just help children learn, we help them grow, discover themselves, and shine in ways that last a lifetime. Before we move ahead with our evening, let's say it loud and proud, just like in Bollywood. Sangosho का है अपना स्टाइल, जहाँ हर बच्चा होता है superstar. Because at Sangosho, we don't just prepare them for school, we prepare them to shine in life. From emotional intelligence to academic excellence, we equip our children with everything they need to conquer the world. So here is my thank you to each of you who took time to come and encourage us in this evening. Sangosho, where stars of tomorrow are made today. Thank you, parents. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Janice ma'am, for those words. I would take this opportunity to do a quick introduction to our chief guest, Rupashri Sinha ma'am. Rupashri ma'am is an award-winning coach, best-selling author, editor, speaker, and book strategist who helps entrepreneurs and professionals write foundational books that enable them to build a readership, grow their brand, and significantly impact their business and profession. Ma'am has acted as a ghostwriter and developmental editor. She's worked with authors ranging from newcomers to best-selling authors. Through her live workshop, 10x Writing Challenge, and club membership, Unicorn Author Mentorship Program, she helps authors seed, develop, write, edit, publish, market, and monetize transformational books. As a founder and chief mentor at Unicorn Author Lab and Story Weavers Academy, Rupashri ma'am has mentored hundreds of entrepreneurs and launched the careers of several young adult authors. Her signature product, Distinguished Tales, features unheard stories behind mega successes and portrays the stories of unsung heroes who inspire young India to take risks and be value-driven. Another star product, Young India Prodigy, enables children to experience creative brilliance, leading to integrated success. I think that is a big list of accomplishments that ma'am has. A big round of applause for ma'am, and thank you so much ma'am for joining us today. We welcome you on stage to share a few words with us, please.
today is like not only our annual day, and seeing like how these seeds are being sown by teachers, parents, are blooming like a small plant, and not only plants. Tomorrow they're going to there will be trees who will be bearing the fruit which will be enjoyed by the next generation. Not only I think I can see lovely parents here. They are like every parent is special in their own way. They have a wonderful way of nurturing their children. So chief guest is like a bit boring word as well, like oh my god, I have to wait for my child's performance to be seen, like before she when she complete her speech. Today I'm not going to be very boring and like wisdom oriented. I'll try to make it little what do you say, practical, because even if I say that like something foundational I speak about, today's parenting has been very very different than like what we used to see earlier. How my parents brought me up, and the way I am bringing up my children. I have two children, like young children. One is 13, like who has become just a teenager, and I have another son who is 10 and a half year old. So there is a way different, and like sometimes we don't ourselves saying that like my God, how did my mom or father did it all? Like it's very difficult. You need not do that, because they lived in such an era. It was very easy. The society was not so progressive where like we do not know the neighbors. I think we were all brought up by the neighbors, and like I think at the end of the day we had a big family which could contribute to it. Today you're doing it all by yourself. Can I have a round of applause for yourself? So parents, please, for doing a great job. And thanks to the teachers. See, they're not only carrying the primitive methods of traditional way of education, they're also making them ready for upcoming life. That's most importantly, because I remember some of our teachers said, this is the way to do, don't ask me second question. Do it or or fail, get fail. So but today teachers, like the staff, management, the school management is trying to understand. So I think this is where we need to put our full, as someone said, I truly believe that education is a partnership between parents and parents community and school. So educators. So without that it wouldn't be possible. So I think we have, and if any grandparents here, give me some cheers. Grandparents, please. Hi grandparents. Remember, you are one of the most important pillar, when your your children, like adults, I mean when they are no more children now. So when they are putting out themselves to make the create that dream life to your grandchildren, so you become one of the instrumental you become instrumental to success of your grandchildren. I have one, my mom-in-law or my mom, like your I believe it's a collaborative effort to bring up bring out the genius in a child. And also like I believe, so I have been, it's a decade full of years now, my academy have been working around children. More than 2,000 young children, and at the age of 8 to 12 have become published authors. So like I would love to mention it here. This was just not by us, by coaches or like the founders or parents, or just by the children. They did it all. The magic was done by children. It is a collaborative effort, and I guess like I think all of you here are doing a wonderful job. So before leaving, I would love to bring all of your attention onto 4 things which I observed myself throughout as what worked in my life, what probably working in my children's life or my students' life or all around the world, whatever I'm seeing. Remember, discipline is core. And whoever hears this word discipline, who's getting like disciplining children itself is something very primitive thought. Discipline means in Latin word it is guidance. Guidance means love. Only if you have love, the parents who have most love for the children will discipline. They will not run away from discipline. Do you know why? Disciplining children is not easy. You don't have to be strict, you don't have to be assertive, you can be guide, you can be mentor. Like how children's friend, they listen to their friends more than their parents. Why do they do that? Why do they do so? Because they have a reason. They believe it's coming. They are ecological. Their suggestions are ecological. So you can make it happen. I think discipline, one of the core property that you need to make it happen. Discipline is not only teaching children, guiding children. Also remember, how many of you parents literally raise your hand when I say this? Creativity is something you should be given children a free hand. Absolutely, free mind and a free hand. But at the same time, the child is scratching on the wall. You can offer the book. This because they do not know which way to scratch. Please make sure I know this is a very liberated thought, but books are made for that. Offer that. I remember my child scratching I had a wonderful corporate career of 15 years. First time when she scratched the wall, I believe this is not a grandparent's job. This is as a mother, I think I should step. I resigned my job, not because scratching it, but I thought now I need to elevate my job as a mother more than now my mother needs me more than my corporate job. So that is what. And is it something crime that child is scratching? No, they don't have direction. Remember, child says, I have to eat this. This is something that I am hungry. Parents give in very easily because they're already it's not their fault. They are quite tired of the juggling, the what today the world is bringing to them, the challenges it is bringing. I saw lovely children acting on social media, being a job or probably many things. And parents are humans. Once again, clap yourself that you're human and you're able to create another human. So you don't have to often tell yourself don't put yourself into a rigorous mode of saying that no, something is left out. Nothing is left out. Take it easy. Children are they are another creature like you. They will do well in their life. However, as I said, the first thing, discipline. It is not I don't want to term it to just to creativity. When children do not know how to do it, parents, please do it. Children will mirror you, model you. And till the time they learn it, please keep doing it. Standing and instructing children will not be able to do. How many of you agree, please? Please give me some yes, no, yeah, yes. Understand that you believe that, parents? Okay. The next thing. So I think this is 4 core areas I believe children need today. One is this excellence, habit of excellence. Nothing less than that. नहीं, इतना तो कर लिया ना मेरे बच्चे ने. नहीं. No. Big no. Excellence. Remember, Rama at the age of probably he was 8 or 9. They all went to all the the princess. They went to prince during that time. Especially all the princes went to the Gurukula. Why? Because there was excellence was required, which maybe the luxury of kingdom couldn't bring. Remember, if this is one of the most important thing, excellence. No. Introduce them to great culture, introduce them to wonderful literature, introduce them to wonderful piece of reading, habits, make them a readers. Don't say my child is tired. They are not tired. When you throw them in a play area, will they come back ever after 8 or 9 hours? No. That means they have energy. Channelize that in a correct way. Direction is one of the most important thing. The third thing is direction. They are after discipline and the excellence. I think direction. Don't hesitate to invest in any kind of a mentorship, and excellent mentorship when your child needs it. Could it be a sports? Could it be culture, reading, writing? Because in India, let me tell you, this is highly underrated. नहीं नहीं बच्चा तो यूट्यूब में सीख लेगा, मुझे आता है, मैं सिखा दूंगा. यू आर नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट, प्लीज. Until and unless you are really a classical singer or something, please hire a mentor. There are, I remember my mother saying that, I was gifted with writing capability, but then, I think, I do not know during that. I come from a very small city from Karnataka, so a very small town. So she said, we didn't have that opportunity to invest on someone can make you an author. That is one reason today, I have been nurturing children as an authors. So remember, invest. Money, let it take. You can earn money back, but not the time, not the creativity. Because when children write, probably I'm taking one example from my area. If children, the way a 10-year-old boy can write without any fear, with that, the flares of creativity, I'm not very sure once he becomes an adult or 16 or 17 is able to do it. You know what? Socially conditioned, even what is right and what is wrong unconsciously gets embedded in them. So I guess this is direction. Don't hesitate to invest in mentorship, great school, and probably excellence. Research on that more than on the competition, which book to get. They will adopt. Their children, their friends will tell which book is great because one or the other child has already read that book. Okay. Now fourth is spirituality. Please remember, without this, I think this is not the fourth one, the first one, but I think it would have put you on a great thought how, as a parent, to introduce spirituality to a 2-year-old son or daughter. Because spirituality for me is not something child sits in satsang. You don't have to drag them there. Child picking up the bottle on the road and throwing it in the garbage when there is no one is watching him or her. That is spirituality. Agree, parents? I'm not able to see you because of the lovely faces here. How many of you agree? Some yeses, noes, please. Yes, agree. All right. All the grandparents, we are blessed with India. This is India, guys. Grandparents are for free. Grandparents, please join us because the kind of stories they embed about Rama or in Quran or probably about Jesus or any why these Sikhs go and they invest themselves, even the most rich people in this country, they go to Gurudwara and serve in langar because this is spirituality. So please take your children on Sunday Gurudwara. Doesn't matter you're Hindu, Muslim, whatever it is. Cross culture is going to help them. Remember, and I think I think spirituality is not only that. When spirituality is another thing, ask your child to reflect rather than telling this is wrong. You have snatched the ball from your friend. Ask him to reflect or her to reflect whether they're doing right according to them, because we are no one to define what is right for him or her, right? So, right, what may seem right to me may not be right to them. Maybe at that moment, snatching the ball was the appropriate things because he has already seen that boy snatching the ball from 100 others and not sharing his ball. He took a very conscious call and saying that no, he doesn't share. I think he should have a bit fair of his, share as well to know what it seems like not sharing. Probably let them ask questions. Let them, and just because you're an elder, please do not try to shut them. And generally, often we cover it with saying that misbehavior. What is misbehavior, by the way? I don't think so. Misbehavior, children aggressively or regressively express themselves. Both the way, they have their own reason. Listen to that, and please make sure when you are listening to them, you're really listening to them, not on a WhatsApp, just how our children acted today. Because I remember when my children come back in the evening, I'm with a meeting or something, my daughter, who is 13-year-old, she says, are you listening to me? I'm on a phone, tick marking some task or something like that. Yes, I'm listening. Is this the way you listen? I said no. So I keep the phone down and say yeah, this is the way to listen. See, beautifully let them evolve. See, you want the same girl to tomorrow defend herself in a family of 18 people when she has been targeted or being mocked or disrespected. Today, if they feel disrespected by parents, let them have the share of fair share of their learnings with you. No, this is not what I liked. Okay, so how many parents are going to take away these 4 things? I try making them very practical, because see, if I say the discipline, make them sit. Today, no one has time, and parents are challenged by one fact that they need to provide everything for them. Under the moon, under the sun, whatever is there, they need to provide. It is not that they want to provide, because this is today's ask, okay? But while doing it, yes, you want to do it. I'm glad you are doing it. Take it easy. My child sometimes comes and says, "You are the worst mother." Yes, and then I'm doing a great job. That means if I'm worst mother, that means I'm doing a great job, because when the child feels that you are not able to come and attend me on a particular time, and the 17 times what I have attended she's forgetting, that absolutely means that yes, that let them go through this pain, and I'm doing, that means I'm already doing a great job. Okay, I think I have said it all. I saw beautiful performance. I first of all congratulate the collaboration of the school and teachers, what they made perform, children, some children they were hell-bent on, I'll perform the way I want to do it. Fabulous. This is the age where they want to experience this. But in coming days also, I'll tell you, it's not a habit that they are going to form. I will never perform. Your way you accept the excellence, they are going to accept it. All right. So I think I have said it all. Lovely parents and most beautiful souls, and thanks to the management who asked me to come here and share. This really means a lot to me. And thanks to Janice, I think Janice has been one of my good friend, and I think she's doing a wonderful job. They, as a family, are doing a wonderful job. I can see many parents proudly sharing their experience with the school. It really makes me feel proud. So yeah, so I think before leaving with parents, because I have not come here just to say that because yeah, they will call me to share something, and then probably I have to share. This is my mission. The parents out there are responsible to create the next generation: discipline, direction, spirituality, and I also share excellence. So 4 things are going to take you forward to create a most wonderful human beings and the most beautiful children on the earth. All right, thank you so much, parents. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think those are very inspirational. It takes a lot, guys. I think once just try getting your kids to do a dance with your steps. It's not that much. We truly believe in excellence, and we are very, very firm of our thought that there is no one to look further in. Been with us for years or joined us more recently, each one of them is incredibly special to us. Today, we don't just celebrate a milestone, we celebrate memories, growth, love, and a bittersweet feeling of letting go. So with pride in our hearts and maybe a tear or two in our eyes, let's cheer for our little graduates, the stars of tomorrow, who have made today so magical. I call upon Janice ma'am to lead the graduation ceremony.
Dear parents, especially a very emotional moment. Thank you so much, each of you, for trusting your precious, precious pieces of your hearts for 4 years with us. Today, the sun shines a little brighter as Aniket, Aisas, Deshna, Pransh and Rudra take flight. Through the halls where memories were made, they have grown, they have learned, they have paved their way along with their very loving and caring Nikhil teacher. Today, we celebrate each of you as you take a new flight into a new journey with lots of love and blessings from your family and all of the people seated out here. We wish you all the very best and congratulations for having done so brilliantly and cleared your preschool with such flying colors. Sangosho, we really miss you along with Janice ma'am, Sara ma'am, Niket ma'am, Rima teacher and Ikra ma'am. But you can come back to us anytime. We would be just a call away. And we would love to hear all of the amazing things that you have done in your life, because we know that you are going to make the world a better place. Celebrating each of you along with your parents, inviting each of our little ones, starting with Aniket, with ambition and heart. I request Neera ma'am and Sara ma'am to hand over the word as they successfully complete each challenge, always pushing through. Wishing you all the very best, our little one. Can I hear a huge round of applause? His spirit is free. Congratulations, Google. And wishing you all the very best, dear one. Congratulations, Esas, and wishing you all the very best for all that you are set out to do in the world. Whilst beyond years, turning every obstacle into no fear. Congratulations, full of grace. The world awaits. Go, take your place. Congratulations once again.
We are hoping that this is one of the many milestones that we see these little ones achieving, and they continue to pursue excellence like they have done with us.
Technically, it's a wrong time, very emotional moment for the graduation day. Okay. Good evening, everyone. I am the proud father of Mr. Prans Raj Chaudhary. Now, many of you already know this. And he is a senior KG student of this wonderful family, I would say, rather than the school. Right. But I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers of this school for their exceptional care, guidance and nurturing spirit. Right. The way they have shaped our children, right, and their minds and their heart are truly remarkable, making this school feel like a second home or perhaps even a first. I vividly remember Pran's first day at school with lots of emotions when I dropped him off, but his excitement to return to the school next day and every day thereafter spoke volumes about the school's warm welcome and the trust they have earned from the parents like me. Dear ma'ams and teachers, your tireless efforts have created a safe, supportive and stimulating environment that allows our children to grow, learn and thrive. As a parent, it's reassuring to know that our children are in such a capable and caring hands. The teachers' dedication, patience especially, and the passion for teaching are inspiring. And I am grateful for the opportunity to be part of this school community. I also would like to mention my some feeling for my champ, my friend, my son Prans. Hope you are listening to my son. First of all, congratulations for your graduation day. You have grown from a tiny seed into a bright, curious and confident flower in this school. Keep blooming, keep shining and never let anyone dull your sparkle. I am proud of you and I love you, Prans. Last but not the least, I would like to congratulate this family, the school, for their great journey so far and the best wishes for continued success. May this school continue to be a beacon of excellence as they are doing it, nurturing young minds and shaping the leaders for tomorrow. Thank you again for all your hard work, dedication and love. Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. A lot of what we do at Sangosho, I think, is a big gratitude to all of our teachers here. Everything that we're able to present, everything that we're very proudly boasting about in terms of our academics, in terms of our sports, everything is because we've always been able to be associated with teachers for whom this is a calling. This is not just a job. They don't turn up every day just to do another day of work. It truly brings them joy and happiness. And that is visible every day for us in the way that they take care of the little ones, they educate the little ones, and just how the big smiles that they have on their faces as they come to work. We would like to take this opportunity to call on stage Ikra ma'am for the teacher testimonial.
Good evening everyone. I am Ikra and I have been a part of Sangosho from the past 1 year. It's a very emotional moment for me as I stand before you reflecting on the incredible journey I have had at Sangosho. I'm overwhelmed with gratitude for this school, which has been more than just a workplace. It has been a family, a home, and a place of growth for both me and my students. First and foremost, I want to thank Janice ma'am for her support, trust and guidance. Your leadership has not only shaped the school, but has also given teachers like me the freedom and encouragement to grow and make a difference in students' lives. I'd also like to thank Sarah ma'am. You have been my inspiration and support system. I'm grateful to have been surrounded by such passionate and dedicated educators like both of them. Lastly, to the parents, thank you for your support and trust. Teaching is a partnership, and I have been fortunate to work alongside such wonderful families like you all. My heart is full of Sangosho and the values and the person it has molded me into. This school has shaped me and so many young children's lives. I am grateful to the Almighty for this opportunity. Thank you all for this beautiful journey. Wishing you all continued success, happiness and endless learning. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ikra teacher. It has been an honor to have you on board with Sangosho. Coming back to some more performances. Don't be fooled by their chotu size. These daycare dynamos are ready to rock. For these little ones, the party never stops. As for our daycare students, the big applause became very small, guys. A bigger round of applause for our daycare students, please.
Thank you.
Yo te guío, subo arriba.